What is up, guys? Today we are going to be making a ninja star, but not an ordinary one. It's a transforming ninja star. So what it does is transforms from a ninja star into a octagon. So what you're going to need to make this is 2 pieces of paper, a ruler, a pencil, and scissors. So what you are going to want to do is draw a 9 by 9 grid, 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters grid. Make sure that there is 6 here. Then you would want to move this aside, and then you would want to bring this back. And then you would want to just make the origami square, cut this off. So once you have cut this off, then what you would want to do is you would want to move this square aside because we're not going to be needing it for the rest of the time. Then you would want to make a 9 centimeter mark in the flap that you just made. So once you have made that, you would want to just go down. You would want to keep going down until the next 9 centimeter mark. And then you would want to mark that off. Put that like that. Then mark it off. And then boom, you have finished the first step. So next what you would want to do is cut the 9 centimeter squares out. So once you have done the cutting, what you would want to do is you would want to move 7 of these aside. You would want to bring this one over. You would want to fold it into a triangle. And then you would want to flip it like that. And then fold it this way into a triangle. Okay, so once you have done that, you can now then go like that. Then you fold this into the middle. You fold these into the middle like that. You close this. Then you would want to just from here, from this state, push this up. So then you have like a triangle. And then you would want to just fold it in so then it's a diamond. So what you would want to do is you would want to do this for all these 7 squares. So once you have made them all into a diamond, the next step might be tricky. Just make sure you do this correctly. So first what you would want to do is you would want to grab any one and then make sure it's like this. So this is the back. Then make sure this is going into the back like that. Okay, so now we're going to have to connect it. Then we would want to bend this one in so then it has like a little crease in it. Keep doing that. And then you would want to just shove that in. Shove that in. So now these two are connected and they go like that. So you would just want to keep doing it over and over. Now the last two may be a little bit tricky. Now don't worry if you mess up, because it's really easy, and once you have if you have messed up, then you can always redo the steps. So you would want to just do this, give it a little crease, give this one also a little crease, and then tuck those in. Now make sure to press all of them down. Okay, so now we're on basically the third one left. So now it may get a little tricky. Well, it will. Okay, so this is the trickiest part. We would want to just put this one like that. Do the same thing that you would always do. Make sure to squish. This one just flew out. Okay, so now that we're on the last one, this is the hardest one. So what we would want to do is we would want to put this one in. We would want to pull this part back. Make sure to do it really carefully. Okay, so now what you are going to want to do is you would want to just give it a little crease. Give it a little crease. And then tuck that in. And then you would want to tuck the other one in. Give this one a crease. Give this one a crease. Then give this one a crease. So what you would want to do is you would want to open the one that's closest to the one that's closer to you. And then you would want to open the back one. And put that in. So now what you have created is the transformed part of this. So next what you would want to do is you would want to just push all of them together. So, and then that's how you make it. It's a little bit hard, but practice makes perfect. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want more origami tutorials.